I was recently in Miami, Florida, and I stayed at this DoubleTree in Doral, Florida. If you're curious about what room I stayed in, I did a whole room tour video. You can check it out on my channel, but this video will be dedicated to the hotel amenities and features. If you check in the front, they will give you the key cards, physical key cards, as well as a little slip concerning their meal schedule, as well as their gym, pool, and shuttle information. But if you join their Hilton Honors Reward Program, you can download their app to get a digital key, pretty easy to request through the app. And with that, you can unlock not only your room, but also all the amenities, including the ice room, as well as the fitness center, the pool, and of course the hotel entrance itself. And speaking of Hilton Honors, if you're a silver member or above, you will get 2 water bottles in your room right away. And actually, when I checked in at the front desk, they gave me a nice hot cookie as well. And if you needed a midnight snack or just some basic amenities, they do have a grab-and-go market right behind the check-in counter. There's even a microwave if yours in your room wasn't working for some reason. And if you needed some cash, there's an ATM right here in the hotel. The first floor of the hotel also has plenty of places to sit down and get work done. They have a business center with a printer. I'm sure you just have to ask for the mouse and keyboard. If you just wanted to lounge around or just talk away for your Uber or something, there's plenty of seating here on the first level. There is a bar as well that's open pretty late. And right here between the bar and the restrooms is a nice lounge area too, with tables, chairs, couches, and a TV that you can use. If you choose to have breakfast at the hotel, it costs, I think, just under $20 for this all-you-can-eat breakfast buffet, which runs from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. They have cold drinks, cereal, fruits, baked goods, pastries, toaster ovens to toast your bread or bagel, some fruit for your yogurt as well, and some hot foods. But if you don't want to pay for their breakfast, they at least offer free coffee. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the pool and fitness center, which unfortunately you have to go outside for a short bit here to access both the pool and the fitness center. Now, I'm not from Florida, so I don't know if this is just a norm for hotels in Florida where you have to go outside of the hotel just to get to the fitness center. All the other hotels I've ever stayed in, it's within the hotel, so you could just, literally wear your gym clothes from your room and go straight to the fitness center without going outside. So I'm not a fan of this design. You can see during this night it was actually a little bit stormy, so I was getting a little bit wet while trying to get from the hotel to the fitness center, but at least it is pretty covered towards that area. The men and women's changing room, locker room is outside here as well. The fitness center is accessible 24/7 via keycard or via the Hilton app. Right when you walk in, there's a water dispenser, and then on the left there are cups for that water dispenser. Not sure why they just put it together, but also some towels. And there's some cheap disposable earphones if you wanted to plug into the fitness equipment. In terms of machines, you do have a Peloton bike, a sit-down bike that's like an older version, an elliptical, and 2 treadmills. There's a single adjustable bench with a huge rack of dumbbells ranging from 5 pounds up to 75 pounds. Some yoga mats and endurance rope, plus a weight pulley system, medicine balls and dumbbells, plus a yoga ball. There's a TV with the remote right there, so if you wanted to change the channels, you can. Also in the corner is a body scale and also some wipes. This fitness center is unsupervised, so use at your own risk. During the day, you can actually even see through the window to the outdoor pool. But it's a one-way street there because from the pool you can't really see inside. And speaking of the pool, it is only open supposedly 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Though when I tried around 6 p.m. it actually wouldn't open. I don't know if it's due to weather as well that they can manually override it. But when I tried it again 8 a.m. in the morning, it had no problems opening. It's a pretty nice sized pool. It even goes down to 5 feet deep. Again, unsupervised, so swim at your own risk. There's a good amount of chairs, tables, and lounge chairs, so if you don't want to get in the pool, you can still enjoy the sunshine by the pool. I didn't see any available towels when I was there, but this is where you would deposit them after use. That's mainly the facilities that you can use in this hotel. There's one small conference room, but it's really small. But the final perk that this hotel offers is a free shuttle within a 5-mile radius, though the caveat is that they only do drop off and pick up on the hours. So if you were ready to come back at say 7:30, you would have to wait until 8 o'clock for the next pickup. And they also conclude their pickup the latest at 11 p.m. And at the time when I went, they were not doing the shuttle service Mondays and Tuesdays. But that's basically all the amenities and features of this DoubleTree by Hilton in Doral, Florida. If you're interested in the room that I stayed in, definitely check out my room tour video that's already posted on my channel. But thanks for watching this video and subscribe for more videos like this.